I hope everyone had a Merry Christmas. Okay, so today we'll be opening up this Fram oil filter, number PH373, and we'll be comparing it to this Fleetguard oil filter, number LF692. And I got these two oil filters from a very generous viewer whose name is Sende, from Toronto, Canada. Thanks, Sende. These oil filters will fit his 1990 Chevy conversion van. He upped the one with a 5.0 liter V8 engine. He says he's going to try one of these oversized oil filters. And these big bad oil filters are going to duke it out. Could get ugly, folks. And when the dust clears, we'll see who the winner is. So let's get started.
You gotta glue the silicone, be nice and tight. Get your end of here, filtration everywhere.
Okay, we'll start with the frame. We'll start with the box. And really not too much here. Periodic maintenance. Installation. Right here it says manufactured for Fram Group operations. And it says made in China. And you got a website, of course. That's about all there is on this box. Let's open this box up here, show what that looks like. Okay, and this filter comes wrapped. This plastic wrapping. Okay, so what do we got here? Filter number, wear guard, instructions. And it's got a place here where you can put the date, mileage, hours. Okay, right here. Made in China. Okay, and this filter has, let's look at the date code. Date code 230571147251. And this filter has 5 inlet holes, metal core with holes, 4 grooves there for threads, and a nitro rubber gasket. Okay, let's put this one and we'll go with the Fleetguard. The Fleetguard also was covered with this plastic. I just ripped it up ahead of time. The date code on here is 250441823. Made in Mexico. And instructions here. Filter number. Right here, made in Mexico. Okay, and that's it on there. And this filter has 8 inlet holes. Metal core with louvers. There's no bypass valves on either one of these filters. 4 grooves there for threads. And nitro rubber gasket. Okay, let's get the weight of these filters. So the Fram, 771.4 grams. 636.2 grams. So a little bit less for the Fleetguard. Alright, let's open these two filters up, see what they look like inside. Be right back. Okay, here they are cut open. Let's take a look at the gaskets. The Fleetguard gasket's a little bit thicker. I'll put their measurements up on the screen. Both good sized gaskets though. Okay, base plates. So you got a lot more inlet holes on the Fleetguard, which is nice. Grooves there for threads, same thing. And the Fram filter has this little rubber thing here. It's just to keep it probably all nice and tight. Yeah, I'd give the base plate to the Fleetguard on this one. Okay, they both have coil springs. Fram's a little bit taller. Okay, let's look at the filter element. So we'll look at the Fram first. Got a metal crimp seam, metal end caps, nice and clean. Yeah, it's real nice and clean. A lot of filter media here. A lot of pleats. 78 pleats on this Fram filter. Pretty deep pleats also. But I couldn't find anything on their website about the micron rating or what this is made out of. You know, it looks like a I don't know, it looks like a blend, but it kind of looks like cellulose also. So I don't know. I'm not going to say. I don't know for sure. But there's a lot of pleats on here, so it's nice. Okay. The Fleetguard filter. Got a metal crimp seam. And also with the Fleetguard filter, I couldn't find out what this filter media is made out of. Nice and clean for the end caps, metal end caps. No bypass valve on both these filters. And the Fleetguard has a micron rating of 95% at 25 microns. And that was on their website. But it doesn't tell you what the filter media is. And the Fleetguard also has 58 pleats. 20 less pleats than the Fram filter. So there's probably going to be a big media difference. Although these look maybe a little bit deeper. But who knows. And the cans, the big cans here. Big, humongous cans. I'm going to put the measurements of these cans up on the screen. Yeah, so these are huge cans. Okay, let's get the width of these filters. And I can't measure it with my calipers, so I have to get it with a tape measure. So the Fram filter, 6 3/8 minus 1/10 of an inch for the end caps. And the Fleetguard filter, 6 5/8 minus 1/10 of an inch for the end caps. All right, let's open these two filters up, stretch them out. A lot of filter media here, and see what they look like under a microscope. Be right back. Okay, here they are both stretched out, and they both go over my table. And the Fram filter is 93 inches long, and the Fleetguard filter is 81 inches long. Okay, so let's get the thickness of this filter media. The Fram filter, 0.92 millimeters thick. And the Fleetguard filter, 0.89 millimeters thick. Almost the same. Okay, it's the filtering side, back side. And if we take a look at these guys under a microscope, the Fleetguard's a darker filter, but they look like they would probably filter pretty close to the same. So let's take a look at that picture. So looking at the picture, I would say they're both pretty much the same. They'd probably do about the same filtering job. But you get about 55 more square inches of filter media with the Fram filter. Now let's take a look at the rest of the filter. Okay, so we already went over these components, the coil springs, gaskets. There's no any drain back valves on these filters because I believe that they're mounted this way, vertically, so you don't really need any drain back valve. And the Fram filter has holes. And nice smooth holes. And the Fleetguard has louvers. Let's take a look at these louvers. Yeah, you can see they're opened up. Yeah. They're fine. They're all opened up. So no problem there. So between these two, to me it's like a draw because you got holes here, you got louvers, which most prefer the holes. You have more inlet holes on the Fleetguard. Both have coil springs. You have more filter media with the Fram. And one made in China, one's made in Mexico. So which filter will you guys take? Please post your comments down below. And again, I want to thank Sunday for sending me these 2 large oil filters. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care. The Fram filter media weighs 78.5 grams. The Fleetguard filter media weighs 74.3 grams.